Hello, Dr. Stimlak. Kindly tell us, where did you study medicine, and after the medical school, your journey till today, how was it?
Well, I'm a citizen of the United States. I was born and raised in the middle of the country, in a state called Iowa. And I was the oldest boy of 5 children, and because of that, I was put in charge of operating the farm at a very early age. I started operating a tractor when I was 5, and by the time I was 6 and 7, I was working 8 hours a day in the field, working in a tractor and running the farm and telling my brothers and sisters what to do. And from there, I graduated from high school and then went to Iowa State University in Ames, Iowa, where I graduated with a bachelor's degree in zoology and chemistry. And then I went on to the College of Osteopathic Medicine, Des Moines University in Iowa. And there I obtained a master's degree in biochemistry and my doctor of medicine, or doctor of osteopathy, in 1970. And then I practiced in a rural logging town in Forks, Washington, where I took care of 5,000 people. I had a 32-bed hospital, and I was a solo practitioner for a year or two. And then I went back to training and did a residency at Case Western Reserve in Cleveland, Ohio for 3 years, and then 1 more year of residency at the University of Oregon in Portland. And from there I moved to Lake Forest, California, which is just up the road, and opened up my practice, and I formed the first holistic medical clinic west of the Mississippi. I started taking care of people that no one else could help, all the other doctors had failed with, and so my practice has been for the last 40 years patients that were untreatable or undiagnosable and unmanageable by the standard care that was provided by the doctors that we have in this country. So most of my patients have already gone through Scripps, have already gone through the Mayo Clinic, and have already gone through MD Anderson or whatever, and have seen 20, 30 doctors and have not had responses. And so my job has been to really dig up answers from around the world. I have sought out answers from every country in the world, every smart doctor, every patient that ever had a disease. I've been trying to collect all the information possible so I could help the next person. So I specialize in chronic degenerative diseases, and these diseases include things like amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, stroke, acute and chronic stroke, congestive heart failure, coronary artery disease, atherosclerosis, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, and on and on. There's many genetic disorders that I